Here's an interesting app called Mileage Tracker by Everleance. So just tap Get, double click to install, and there you have it. Track your mileage and expenses automatically. Save more on taxes, save money, save time. Welcome to Everleance, your trusted companion for effortless automatic mileage tracking and expense logging. Join over 3 million drivers who have turned to Everleance to earn more money, save more time, and rest easier knowing their business miles are being recorded in IRS compliant format. The average Everleance user saves $6,500 a year by maximizing mileage and business expense deductions. So yeah, just you can easily track your journeys using GPS features on your phone. Effortlessly track your mileage, classify with a simple swipe, maximize your tax deductions, export customizable reports. So yeah, that's the idea. Submit reports, join over 3 million people. Yeah, it has quite high ratings, and then yeah, you can just continue with Apple ID like that. So yeah, just continue with Apple ID. And then choose a mode to get started. We'll optimize the app based on what kind of work you do. You can always add it later. Self-employed, if you're delivering for Instacart, Uber, DoorDash, whatever, or you just, you get a regular paycheck, hourly or salaried, and then who do you work for? So you can just select those and then allow while using the app. It likes to track. You need to, always allow. You can enable notifications. And then you can see how your free trial works. Start tracking trips, trial reminder email, and then it's like $60 per year, 7-day free trial. I'm not sure if so yeah. So then with a free account, you have only 30 free trips. Still a nice amount of trips which you can, and then you can add a trip, add expense, add revenue, start tracking. So yeah, then you can see the transactions. You can add transactions manually. Then there are reports, and then there is home. So yeah, here's just the idea of the app.